Titi's Playroom. Hi friends, let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're a star! You learned how to count from 1 to 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!